Hello and welcome to the ECB and BOE preview. So in terms of the ECB's interest rate decision, that's expected to be kept on hold, given that various ECB members have now reiterated that we are at the lower bound when it comes to interest rates. So focus, as said, is likely to reside with the accompanying press conference. So just to recap what we saw last month we saw the ECB announce the details of their covered bonds purchase programme and the ABS programme by saying that the ABS programme will run for 2 years and not the 1 year which some has been looking for. So this time we did see a bit of market volatility as this downplayed expectations of an imminent QE programme. So just in terms of this press conference, one of the main things we'll be looking out for is any further details on that ABS programme. However, some of the more juicier things which people will be looking out for, there's any talk of a potential corporate bond buying programme. So we did see those ECB source comments a couple of weeks ago suggesting that discussions on the topic had taken place. However, these have been very much downplayed since, with also ECB members chipping in saying that discussions haven't actually taken place and it is unlikely. With analysts also suggesting that such a programme wouldn't be the bazooka that the ECB needs to tackle the current inflation and growth problems. And on that topic of a bazooka, some people will nevertheless be looking out for any pretensions of a QE programme. So this is very much an unlikely scenario for Draghi to be given too much away, and that's despite the aggressive stimulus action taken by the BOJ last week. So Draghi is very much unlikely to act, with ECB members very much in the camp that they are going to wait for existing measures to take place. So notably that ABS purchase programme and the TLTRO operation, which is due in December. And on that note, some analysts have suggested with regards to TLTRO, we could see a minor tweaking of the conditions of the offering, given the poor uptake that we saw on October. However, Draghi could potentially downplay this though, as he has done previously, by saying that the poor uptake in October was mainly as a result of European banks trying to get their balance sheets in check for the ECB stress tests. Nonetheless, stranger things have happened, so we could see some market volatility should this be the case, as it would have a large impact on European equities and fixed income products. So moving on to the BOE, this is very much expected to be a non-event, so interest rates expected to be kept on hold, with no other MPC members due to join Will and McCafferty in voting in favour of a rate hike. This also comes in the backdrop of UK inflation at its lowest level since mid-2009, with attention instead due to be placed on the upcoming quarterly inflation report, which is due on November the 12th. So that's all from me, and thank you very much.